Gone. How many times did it run out of oil today?
Twice.
So what is this? It's an 86?
85.
85 Honda Big Red 200M three-wheeler. We just robbed a 200cc engine off of a, you can't see it, but a 200S. A little bit smaller. It's an 83. So we got the engine on there. We can get it to run. It needs some carb work. It needs some oil leaks fixed.
I ain't no fixing that, man. I think the rings are gone.
Well, it'll fix the external leaks. So yeah, maybe we get some brakes on this thing and make it safe-ish.
Maybe. I think it leaks out of the exhaust because it doesn't seal very well and the oil just dumps out of there. Kind of covers everything. It blows out from there too because this is pretty much just straight pipe. It's not connected to nothing really.
Oh yeah, well then you definitely need rings and or valve seals.
It'll be alright.
Fuck it. Torque like a 4-stroke, smokes like a 2-stroke.
I don't know if it's out of gas or I don't think it's out of gas. Unless that gas I put in it was bad. No, it's not out. Don't smell great though.
Yeah, maybe this weekend we can get a good ride video on this. Don't do that.
What?
Not you, you do it, but I'm telling the people on the YouTube not to wipe their dipstick in the grass. Only do this if you're a trained and qualified professional.
Or if you got cornrows.
Or if you got cornrows, because...
Yeah, that's why it stopped running again. It's got the smallest of drops.
Just enough to say it's on there, not no more.
It's always beautiful though.
I'm just glad that after sitting in the garage since November, it's at least running.
Yeah. I'd rather it stop running than actually like lock down, not be able to push it or nothing.
Yes. All right, we're going to wrap this video up, guys. We'll see you later.